Hello everyone, today we're going to do a beautiful roast loin of pork. Here I have a nice piece of free range pork with the skin on, and we're going to roast that till the skin's nice and crackly with a nice herb and garlic rub on it. So I've just roasted some peppercorns, and just to get those essential oils out of the peppercorns, that's going to go into a mortar and pestle, along with some rosemary, 2 sprigs of rosemary, and about 4 cloves of garlic. With the rosemary, you can just pull down all the leaves off the stalk, and you can leave the stalk if you want to stab it into the pork loin at the end for a bit of fancy entertaining for yourself. Smash the living Jesus out of it. I'm going to add a bit of salt to be able to flavor the meat a little bit, and also to act as a grinding mechanism for all these ingredients as well. Now once this is the consistency of a dry rub, it's time to rub it. Rub down your loin. Once you've rubbed down your loin, flip it over to the skin side up, and we're going to score the skin so that we can add salt and get that real crispy. So I'm just going to sharpen my boning knife on the mortar. Or is that the pestle? Pestle? And I'm going to score my pork rind so that the skin can get really nice and crackly, because that way the salt, which acts as the essential part of getting your skin crackly, that will get into the cracks nicely. Now your salt, be really generous with the salt and really rub it into those cracks really well. I know it looks like a lot, but this will get your crust your skin really crispy and delicious. So now that's ready to pop on a roasting pan. It's got this little rack inside, which means that the pork won't sit in the juices. I'm putting the pork on their skin side up, and in the oven, preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is up at 200 degrees. So now I'm going to lower it to 180, and we're going to do another 2 hours. It's near crunch time, so I've put my heat back to 200, maybe 225, and we're going to blast it for 5 to 10 minutes till the skin gets nice and crispy. So I've taken the pork off to rest, and I've covered it with a bit of foil. And now with the pan juices here, we're going to make a gravy. Turn on the heat, and I've just put 2 tablespoons of flour into the fat. I'm going to put more in actually. So this is making what they call a roux, which is the base for a sauce. And what we're doing is cooking that flour. And now I'm going to add some boiling water to deglaze the delicious bits off the pan. There you go everyone, roasted pork loin with rosemary, garlic, pepper and delicious gravy. Bon appetit!